Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started, don't forget to check out our new Miss Planet flowers at our Amazon store. The link is in the description right below here, and do not forget to get your free ebook with over a dozen projects using our very own Miss Planet flowers. So those of you who have already checked us out and been so kind to tell us how you think about them, we are so grateful to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get started with this week's project, and it comes from a community member, and her name is Nikki, and she writes, Good day, Nikki. I love your YouTube channel. It gives me such motivation to do my own wedding decor. Nikki, you can absolutely do it. I wanted your help on how to create this masterpiece. I've been eyeing this wedding decor for about a year now. So I wanted to make it come to life. Can you please assist me with this aisle decor? Absolutely. I can assist you and show you step by step how to create this beautiful sparkle blue aisle wedding decor. Well, guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So this is one of those projects that you put together on site. No worries, super simple. First thing we're going to do is to go ahead and put our LED push light right in the bottom. It comes with a piece of adhesive on the bottom if you feel more comfortable with putting it on there, but it's really not necessary. Then you're just going to pour in your Dazzle vase filler to cover up the puck so you don't see it. When you do this on site, allow yourself an additional 2 hours to set everything up so that your LED lights will not run out during your reception. So simple, you got this, guys. Your vase opening is about 5.5 inches wide, while your half ball is 6 inches. So you're going to just trim it down along the sides using your foam cutter. I would suggest instead of taking off a whole ½ inch at one time, just trim it down 1/4 inch at a time until it fits nice and snug. This is something that you will do beforehand, and you will apply all of your roses to it and set it in like a box off to the side separately. That way when you get ready to assemble your centerpiece, or assemble the aisle runner rather, you will have all the pieces completed, and it won't take you but maybe 5-10 minutes to put it all together on site. This next step you can do on site or you can do beforehand. It really is what fits you. So once you know that your half foam fits nice and snug, you're just going to attach a 12-inch gem garland to the underside so it'll hang from underneath with a floral pin. Again, this is not a hard step, so this is something that you can actually do on site also. Well, Nikki, how did we do? It is absolutely stunning. I went ahead and added some gold metallic floral petals to go along with your vision for your wedding colors. These petals can be any color you would like. Your flowers at the top of your aisle runner can be any color you would like. It's just very, very versatile. In addition to this, these are very easy to transport from your wedding venue to your reception venue. So keep that in mind. You kind of get a 2-for-1. They're absolutely stunning, gorgeous, very economical. One of these is less than $50 to put together. And so you can have this beautiful decor for a fraction of the cost. Well, guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you get a special note directly from us the moment the videos are live. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Go ahead and check us out. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten rebate account, what are you waiting for? This is an awesome time to take advantage of it. It's formerly known as Ebates. You simply go down to the description, sign up for your account when you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and get paid at the end of the month. Don't forget to check out our DIY digital downloadable planning guides. They are there for you to help you create and plan the wedding or event of your dreams. It's so simple. Just head on over to our store by clicking on that little icon in the corner. Check out our binders. Check out all the information, all the planning tools that you get, and the tips that we put in them for you, and see if they can help you to create the wedding or event of your dreams. Tell us what you think. Well, our time has quickly come to an end. We want to thank all of you for hanging out with us. If you would like to send us a comment or ask us a question, by all means do that in the comment section. It is actually me, MissPlanIt, who answers your question, not one of our other team members. I do apologize. It does take me a minute to get to all of them, but I do get to them. And in the meantime, we have some awesome community members that fill in with some fantastic advice, because guys, it takes a village. It takes all of us working together to create our visions. So don't forget to send us a message or a comment or ask us a question. If we can help you with a project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or down into the description and click on project request. Follow the very simple steps. We love to help all of our community members. Be sure to get your request in as early as possible. I hate telling anybody no, but our production schedule fills up so fast, guys. It's amazing. It fills up so fast. Thank you, guys. We're heading to 100,000 subscribers. I am beyond excited and blown away by how many of you guys are supporting us. And we just want to thank you for that support. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.